Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Saur YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing the top 4 best Hibernate books for Java programmers. Hibernate is one of the most popular open source ORM framework which has now become a standard for developing persistent layer on Java enterprise application along with JPA. So since most Java developers are familiar with JDBC, they often tend to use that. What they miss is key offering from Hibernate, for example, lazy loading, caching, and managing association between objects. These books will help you to learn Hibernate, grow your existing knowledge in Hibernate, and knowing some of the best practices on Hibernate and ORM spaces. So let us discuss one by one. The first book is Java Persistence with Hibernate. So this is the must-read book for any Hibernate developer. Java Persistence with Hibernate is written by Christian Buer and Gavin King, who are the part of the Hibernate development team and involved with EZB and JBoss. So this book will teaches you the object relational mapping, Hibernate framework, but also most common design patterns which is used along with Hibernate, such as data access object pattern. This book also teaches you a lot about fetching strategies, caching, transaction, and best practices in database design and ORM techniques. So I recommended this book at least a one read for any serious Java Hibernate developer to get a complete picture of Hibernate. So this book is over 800 pages, which is not easy to read, but it is definitely deserve a look for later references. The next book is Just Hibernate. If you're starting to learn Hibernate, then this is definitely the best book for you. This is a small book to get you started with Hibernate, so it will not you bore you a lot of information that you don't need as start with Hibernate. So some of the topics this book will cover. First one is the fundamentals of associations and their mappings, comparison of Hibernate with JDBC, HQL, caching, Hibernate as JP provider, code snippets to learn with the programs, annotations used in Hibernate. The third one is a beginning Hibernate. So the best thing I like in this book is the way it is written. It starts from the basics of Hibernate. So in this book, covered how to configure in your application by building a simple application. It also covers JPA concepts, Hibernate session, queries, and more advanced features. You will learn to configure Hibernate using annotations as well as XML based configurations. The next book is Hibernate Made Easy. So it is a simplified data persistence with Hibernate and JPA annotations by Cameron Wells, McKenzie, and Kerry Sihan. Is a book meant for Hibernate beginners. So this book will take advantage of a complete web application using Java, JSP, and Hibernate running on Apache Tomcat. You will learn more by doing a complete project than exploring simple examples. In fact, specific features can also be best learned where they need to rise from doing a complete project like application. This is where this book scores well. If you are a Java developer with little or no knowledge to Hibernate, use this book to learn Hibernate framework. So only disadvantage of this book is that it doesn't use XML based mapping. So if your application does that, you may want to look another book. So that's all about some of the top 4 best books for Java developers. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more latest updates, and also share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.